I don't feel like wearing bikinis always, and size always changes for me. So,
But every time we go to a new beach destination and there are like just more swimsuits, she's not repeating anything.
sir, ये एक और है, आप ले सकते हो.
Madam, थोड़ा fit नहीं आएगा मेरे को. These are your like lifesavers. You can just get out of the rip very, very easily.
मेरी काइट एक गाय पे गिर गई थी,
मैं
पता
बोलने
है?
वाला था ये.
गाय पे गिरी थी. Can you talk about the bad luck? मैं कुछ सीख रही हूँ ना यार, और वो गाय पे गिरा. Let's unpack in Goa. Why do I have this in my bag?
There was no space.
मैंने end में रखा, but I love this.
Yeah.
It's a skirt with a very long slit. Swimsuit number 1. Just to be safe, थोड़ा सा coverage.
Dude, look at this color. Oh, you got like two almost similar colors.
I love this one also.
Yeah.
I don't feel like wearing bikinis always, and size always changes for me. So,
You know, this is so amazing. I've seen this girl go to so many beach destinations, but every time we go to a new beach destination and there are like just more swimsuits, she's not repeating anything. This from, I think, if I'm not wrong, 69 Slam. Yeah, it's 69 Slam.
हाँ 69.
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छे
So
swimsuits
it's 69
मिलते हैं.
Slam, Rip Curl. These are only 2-3 companies which like give really good swimsuits. Please, they're not doing this.
ये सर, ये एक और है, आप ले सकते हो.
Madam, थोड़ा fit नहीं आएगा मेरे को. Okay, so these are my favorite swimsuits.
Wow.
I'll start with this. There's also 16.
What a color, Anand.
I agree.
तू बिल्कुल दिख जाएगा. तू डूब ही नहीं सकता, तेरे पास जो कलर्स है ना. ये येलो, ऑरेंज.
This is from Decathlon. This is also from Decathlon. This is also from Decathlon.
Rash guards.
Rash guards. Keep them handy in case there's jellyfish. You can be saved from. You know.
Rash guard, basically, the meaning is in the name. It's called a rash guard. It saves you from rashes.
Yeah.
From sand, rocks, jellyfish.
And like this one's SPF 50, so even sun rash, sunburn se protect karta hai. So always get a nice rash guard if you don't want to be sunburned.
Smart people always carry a jacket no matter how hot it is. You never know when weather changes. This time, let's see how successful I'll be. I've tried it every time. आज तक नहीं हुआ. मेरे को hairstyles नहीं आते बनाना. This is my hairstyle.
She's done a YouTube video. Let's see if it works.
The cutest thing about this dress is Terry बना हुआ है. Cherry.
For anybody who wants a recommendation for sunscreen, this is the best. We've been to a lot of places and this has been proven to be the best. It's a sunscreen by Banana Boat. It's SPF 100. Now, this is a sports sunscreen, so it doesn't get, so even if you go in the water, it doesn't get washed out that easily. Though you have to apply it multiple times and it is really expensive, but it does the job. We've never been sunburned once we've applied this. So yeah, this is amazing. The other thing that I carry is this curl cream. This is the secret to these curls. What happens is in this weather, my hair gets very, very frizzy. So just after shower or after getting out of the water, I just apply like a handful of this and it keeps my curls very manageable. So yeah, if any curly haired person wants advice, this is what you should get.
I also
Strictly
apply
good.
it on my hair actually.
Yeah.
In case ocean में या swimming pool में तुम्हें ऐसी float करना है, so you can just fill air into this and float in the ocean. बहुत अच्छे photos भी आते हैं.
Whenever I'm on the beach, I prefer wearing something which is a little more brighter. So like, I really love this shirt. It is from a company called as Bianca Jaswant. They basically take like 2 weeks to make it because they make it like hand to order. Once you order, only then they'll make it. So this one's really cool. It goes very well with my yellow shorts. And I also enjoy this green. Even this from them. Currently, actually, mera काफी majority of my wardrobe is from Bianca Jaswant. Not a sponsored post, guys, but yeah. Even this is like a very nice cool shirt. It's got like this pink embroidery. I really like it. Cuts through the green. And this one. This like that thoda sa Chinese style ka shirt. with like these very big hollow arms. So yeah, just like to wear something like loose fitting on the beach, because like that's the vibe I like when I'm on the beach. So yeah, that's for me.
The corset. I want to wear it. I haven't worn it yet. It's by. I'll write down who this is by. I have a few corsets from her, but मैं नाम भूल गई हूँ. These are some hair clips. Again, it's very, very ambitious for me to try hairstyles, but I always get them.
All right, so generally these we use for our free diving. These are my free diving pins from Decathlon. Rashmi's are from Nares. That's a different company. In Goa, we're not gonna free dive because there's no visibility. But when we're in the water, we like to be in the water a lot. These really help. If you're stuck in a current, if you're stuck in a rip, these are your like lifesavers. You can just get out of the rip very, very easily. So yeah, we like to have them whenever we enter the water, and if you wanna just chill and go a little more deeper. So these comes really handy. And also we're planning to like see different sides of Goa. So maybe if we go to a river and all, also these will come in very, very handy. So we just got them because we came by a car and we had enough space. If you were coming here by a flight, nah, I wouldn't have brought these.
Obviously, flip flops. एक पिंक और एक वाइट कलर के फ्लिप फ्लॉप्स है मेरे पास. Usually these colors. One pink, one white. Usually both these colors like go with every outfit I have.
This is my kite surfing board. I kite surf a lot. I used to do that. I used to do this sport 2-3 years back. So every summer I was here in Goa. So in Goa from January till May, there are epic winds and you can go out on the beach and kite surf. So this is a kite surf board. Again, I put this in my car and I got it. And this is my harness. I also have 2 kites with me. They're just bags right now. I have to open them and show them. But वो मैं अभी नहीं दिखाऊंगा, वो मैं तुम्हें बाद में दिखाऊंगा on the beach. Because they're really, really big. One is a 14-meter kite, the other is a 18-meter kite. Huge kite. So yeah, hopefully wind gods do not disappoint and I get to kite surf. और ये सारा सामान जबरदस्ती ना लाया हूँ मैं.
Okay, गाड़ी में आए थे. There was too much space.
I know.
But I want to see you kite surf. It's been a while.
Same.
He looks too happy doing it. I want to see.
I wanted to be a kite surfing instructor for a while. Then I realized, nahi bhai, I can't teach this.
It's a very hard sport.
Yeah.
I tried and I'm not trying again. मेरी kite एक गाय पे गिर गई थी, पता है? गाय पे गिरी थी. Can you talk about the bad luck? मैं कुछ सीख रही हूँ नया और वो गाय पे गिरा. I was like मैं कभी नहीं, और मैंने तोड़ दिया actually. बहुत महंगी होती है kite है.
Yeah, but that was like a training kite.
Luckily, it was a training.
Yeah. Yeah, but like a kite can be somewhere from 1 lakh to 2 lakh depending on what kite it is. But तुम्हारा सस्ता ही था, 15,000 का.
Okay, other than this, we have our essentials, medicines, some makeup, some इधर-उधर की jewelry. We also got a lot of food with us because हम गाड़ी में आ रहे थे. Other than that, I think you've seen everything.
Other than that, we brought our hot asses here.
And now let's enjoy Goa. See you.